Halo semua, kembali bersama dengan saya Kunardi Halim, founders dari Happy Business Club. Salam dari Tagaytay, Philippines. Kita masih ada di Philippines bersama dengan Jason. Nah, mungkin Bapak Ibu pasti bertanya, atau seperti saya dulu, saya juga sering kali bertanya, ya, apa sih yang membuat orang asing, ya, orang asing mereka lebih tahu berita di Indonesia, ya, berita tentang Indonesia, terutama tentang stock market, ya, atau pasar saham, daripada orang Indonesia sendiri, ya. Saya dari dulu penasaran, apa sih yang membuat mereka kok bisa lebih tahu, padahal mereka tinggal di luar negeri jauh, tapi mereka bisa dapat data yang lebih real, data yang komplit, ya, jauh lebih lengkap daripada kita, yang membuat mereka sangat cepat dalam pengambilan keputusan dan jauh lebih akurat daripada kita yang ada di Indonesia, ya. Nah, ternyata saya menemukan bahwa salah satu rahasia utamanya adalah mereka punya yang namanya terminal Bloomberg. Ya, apa itu terminal Bloomberg? Hari ini Bapak Ibu kita akan tunjukkan kepada Anda apa itu terminal Bloomberg yang saya sempat tanya, ya, iseng-iseng tanya, berapa sih langganan terminal Bloomberg ini? Ternyata harganya sekitar 2.700 US dollar per bulan. Nah, untuk teman-teman yang pengen tahu berapa sih di rupiah, silakan dikalikan kurang lebih 14 ribuan atau 15 ribu kali 2.700 US dollar per bulan bayarnya. Wah, begitu saya melihat angkanya aja saya udah pusing, ya. Nah, tetapi satu hal yang luar biasa, analis kita Mr. Jason itu punya atau berlangganan terminal Bloomberg. Nah, pada kesempatan yang sangat luar biasa hari ini kita ingin tunjukkan apa sih terminal Bloomberg, apa kelebihannya, data-data apa saja yang bisa didapatkan, dan bagaimana bisa menerjemahkan data-data itu sehingga itu kita bisa membuat satu pengambilan keputusan yang baik di dalam pasar saham. Karena ini penting, ya, karena ketika kita mengambil sebuah keputusan di pasar saham, baik itu buy maupun sell, ya, beli ataupun jual, itu kan tentunya mempengaruhi keuangan kita. Nah, mari kita mau lihat bersama bagaimana terminal Bloomberg itu bekerja. Oke, let's go. Ya, check it out.
No.
Ya, ini Jason with terminal Bloomberg. So, Jason, can you show us how is terminal Bloomberg work? And
Okay,
yeah.
sure.
Okay.
So we're accessing the Bloomberg today via remote, because of course the terminal is at the office, right? So we have a connection with the office. So this is the homepage. So I mean, basically you can access everything around the world, at your fingertips, and very fast. Okay. And another thing, like for example, if I want to pull data from Bloomberg, it has a integration with the Excel.
Wow.
So very easy to pull up data. Okay, so I guess I'll show you guys the basic tools that I use. Like for example, this one, I have here my watch list of all the Indonesian stocks here.
Wow.
Okay, and then live data, and like for example, if I wanna view news on all these stocks, okay, I just do this. You can do this: analytics, news events, icons, news research, right? So for example, this is the research. So all the stocks in my list, automatically all the news is here.
Wow.
Okay, so, and like for example this, I have reports, ASEAN banks. You can download reports here also.
Okay, very nice.
There you go.
Asian banks. Okay.
Right, and for example, like if you want to research companies, like for example, let's check out BBCA. Right, this is the these are all the functions, everything you can view about BBCA, right? So these are all the different kinds of functions that you can go to. So like for example, FA is a financial analysis. So everything is here already. Like you can go back throughout the entire history of the company, right? And like for example, also if you're analyzing stocks, sometimes actually the most valuable is the forecast.
Forecast, okay.
Like here, this is the EEA function, right? You have all the forecasts already for the next few years, right? So this number means that it's the average forecast of 27 analysts out there.
Okay.
Okay, and you can also view their fair value estimates, for example, right? So like here, the 12-month target price consensus target is 8,300, and these are like the recommendations of all different analysts, analyzed by date, right? Like for example, like what I do to hasten the process of research is that sometimes, for example, if I see this, for example, okay, wow, 10,000 target, okay, I try to find the report, see his arguments for why this target price. Then if it makes sense to me, then I can use that also. Okay, and I can also check it out. For example, like what's the valuation? Okay, so if this target is way too aggressive, I can just check it out here. This is I can graph all the financial metrics here. So like for banks, you check price to book value, right? So this, to me, like it's a top of the 10-year range, and the target I think is around maybe 5 times price to book already, which is quite high. Okay, yeah, I guess some other stuff that I use here, I guess, are just following the global markets. That I always use in the updates. Like for example, this one, these are all live data feeds. So you can see everything around the globe, what's happening out there. Like US is like here down 12% already for the year. But actually, if you have to adjust that for inflation, right? So actually, the US market this year is already down 20%.
Oh, down 20%. Okay.
On a real-time basis, right? So here you can also look at not just the market but economic data. So everything is complete here. See?
Wow.
So market down 12%, inflation 8%. So meaning the real loss is 12%.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at that. Going back to 1915.
Oh. Cool.
Highest inflation since 1970s.
Yeah, 1970s. Very high.
Yeah, and I think the market data also goes back very, very long. GPC means charting, candle chart.
Okay. Jason, some years ago you showed us, me and Johan, about the money flow. Yeah. All the globe, where's the money flow? So that's how you know that where's the money goes, and then we just follow the money, and then it show us where we can invest, because that market is growing. So can you show us a bit that where's the money flows in the world, so we know that which market we can go to?
Okay, there's a function here called foreign portfolio investments.
Okay.
So this is one tool that I use. So we can check out where the money is flowing, right? Daily, week to date, month to date, year to date. Okay, although I don't know if all of this is quite accurate, right? But also we use this, and also of course you analyze the price action, right? And combined, it's very easy to see where the money is flowing already, right? So like for example, I think here, right, Indonesia, the past 12 months, $7 billion US dollars, right? So we look at this, Korea, Taiwan, huge sell-off this year. But the past few years they've been okay. But I think this year, maybe the market sensing some slowdown in the semicon industry. And anyway, if you look at, like for example, the DSM, Taiwan Semiconductor, I think the biggest semicon company in the world. So this one is not looking so good lately.
Oh. Yeah, because Taiwan is also,
See?
yeah,
But yeah, I think this is normal, the semicon cycles turning over. So of course you don't want to be there, right?
Yeah.
Then I think another nice function is that here I make a lot of charts and I save them so that the next time I don't have to make it again.
Yeah. Good.
Like here, for example, right? So this is the one I often show in the platinum, right?
Yeah.
The long-term chart, then this is the flows, but time series. So you have a big picture view, right? So look at that.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh.
And like for example, you want to check what the insider doing. Okay, I have that also.
Oh, insider.
See that one? These are the biggest shareholders, and these are the latest, transactions of these shareholders.
So basically, you have everything inside. You have a spy.
Although I think the exchange also has this and more updated, because there's some time lag
Okay.
before they upload all the stuff here.
Oh.
Okay, what else we need to talk about?
Okay. Maybe just a simple, like you just show us a simple way that you usually do a screening before you pick up a stock. Yeah. So from a very point of view, how you do it step by step, just simple one. So at least we have some idea how you pick a stock.
Okay. So there's just two approaches, right? One is top down. Like for example, I like commodities, right? Then you can find the biggest commodity stocks in Indonesia.
Biggest comment, okay.
Right? And I usually start there.
Okay.
But there's the other one also that I use which is bottom up, which is I use like fundamental and technical metrics. For example, I put it here, equity screening. Okay, then you can put it everywhere. What you want to screen for, you can add criteria. Okay, so maybe you can check out one of the screens I made. Where did I put that? Oh, this is. Where's my 18? Oh, wait, sorry. Here. Indonesia.
Yeah.
So here. This is one screen I made lately. I just wanted to. This is a broad screen. I just wanted to get the biggest companies in Indonesia.
Okay.
Because yeah, there are 800 stocks, but we can't play all of them.
Yes.
It has to be big enough for us.
Yes.
So, for example, this is one screen I made, right? So, exchange, Indonesia Stock Exchange. I wanted the market cap to be above $300 million. Right? So, 200 stocks remaining. Average daily value traded is $1 million. So, 100 stocks remaining.
Okay.
Okay, so now it makes my job a lot easier. From 800 to 100.
Yes.
Okay, then we can go to the results. So yeah, that's it, right? Biggest company is like BBCA.
Yeah.
Actually, I think Goto's not yet here.
Oh.
But I think Goto's are already top 5.
Yeah. Supposed to be number 4. According to market caps.
One more. And like I also have like a breakout screener. So this one I run almost every week. So I guess it depends on how you build the screener and what you're finding, Here, breakout screener. So I think the main criteria here is like up 20% in 1 month. 20-30%. But let's magnify this. So, okay, here. Okay, so what I did was the return in the past 5 days. I want to find breakouts. So right, we start here, right? So in the past 5 days, these stocks like move huge amounts, 10%, 20%, 30%. So makes, for example, here MCall, it's another energy stock, recent IPO actually. Actually, I this was in my list actually 2 weeks ago. I saw it already. Right, look at that. Wow. Breakout. So I try to find this in my list, but hopefully you try to find it earlier like that. Because if it's like this already,
yeah,
might be too far. Okay, let's check out another stock here. BSML. HITS, also energy.
Okay.
So I think there's a pattern here. Okay, wow, see? So ideally, you find it somewhere here. But I think that's fine. But I guess you guys get the point, right?
Yeah.
So I want to find the movers, and ideally you want to find them early.
Yeah.
Right? And I showed you guys how I did it in 5 minutes.
5 minutes, yeah.
So I mean, I guess like having this, you know, like I'm doing, without this, maybe you need like 10 people to do all this work.
Yes.
But you know, with technology and you know, a little payment every month.
Yes, technology
10 people
helping us a lot.
do the work of 1 people do the work of 10.
Yes. Amazing.
And you can focus on other stuff, like for example, okay, what's happening in this company, you know,
Yeah.
versus all the manual work that you have to do without this technology.
Yes. Okay, that's it. Okay, Bapak Ibu, itulah salah satu rahasia. The secret of the world class trader is a terminal Bloomberg. Dan kita semua sangat beruntung ya, terutama teman-teman di HBC, karena mungkin kalau Anda mampu berlangganan pun, kalau saya pikir meskipun saya mampu berlangganan pun untuk baca data itu dan segala macam, itu juga butuh keahlian ya. Jadi bukan hanya soal uang ya, not just about money, you need to have a skill. Anda juga perlu keahlian ya. Dan Jason bisa dapatkan itu dua-duanya. Jadi makanya HBC ini sangat beruntung ya, sangat diberkati karena kita punya teknologinya ya, kita juga punya ahlinya untuk menganalisa. Makanya teman-teman, kita mendapatkan sebegitu banyak kemudahan. Kita bisa melihat pemilihan saham kita bukan abal-abal, bukan cap-cip-cup, bukan lagi happening ya, lagi wah banyak yang ngomong ya, influencer ngomong ini saham ini bakalan naik segala macam, maka kita pilih saham tersebut. Bukan ya, kita setiap pemilihan saham di HBC kita selalu menggunakan data yang akurat, data yang sudah melalui suatu analisa dan data yang lengkap, sehingga setiap pengambilan keputusan kita yakin dengan apa yang kita lakukan. Oke, Bapak Ibu, sekian dulu presentasi singkat atau kita bisa melihat secara singkat tentang terminal Bloomberg. Semoga ini bisa membantu meyakinkan Anda bahwa HBC tidak sembarangan ya. HBC bukan komunitas abal-abal. Setiap pengambilan keputusan selalu berdasarkan data yang bisa dipertanggungjawabkan. Oke, terima kasih dan kita ketemu lagi di lain waktu dan lain kesempatan. Ya, ciao.